Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today is Tuesday, so that means it is Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And today for Tiny Tidy Tuesday, I'm going to continue with part 3 of my closet clean out. Stay tuned. Before I begin, I would love to thank Sunday Dawn from The Helpful Home for hosting the Tiny Tidy Tuesday collab, along with all the other Tiny Tidy Tuesdayers that also participate in this collab each Tuesday. I will link both Sunday's channel as well as the playlist for the other great YouTube creators down in my description box below. So I hope you will check them out. They're very motivating. I love to watch Tiny Tidy Tuesdays because it's just very motivating for me to get things done. So I'm going to finish with clothing items today. Normally I work clockwise in a room, and it just wasn't making sense because I started going through shoes and I was like, I'm just going to finish all my clothing first. So I'm going to be doing this behind me, which I have skirts and I have dresses. Once again, when I look at something, I'm going to say, is this something I would wear today, or is this something I would not wear today? This is something I would not wear today, so I have an item to go ahead and get rid of. And I am just going to probably put on a YouTube video. You could always put on music, do whatever you want to do just to distract myself from those emotional attachments that we sometimes feel to our clothing. And some of you guys don't, and that's great if you don't too. So let's get started finishing up the clothes today.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe.
If you are new to my channel, my name is Jen. I do a variety of content here on my channel. I am a former teacher and I like to teach you guys how to do things. I am currently doing this closet clean out and I'm going to put it together into one big closet clean out. As well as being a former teacher, I am a heart warrior. I survived heart failure a couple of years ago and am regaining my strength and healing more and more each day.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible.
Thank you guys so much for watching my Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Thank you so much to Sunday Dawn for hosting again, and I would love, love, love to have you in my YouTube family. I'm getting ready to do a 1K giveaway, and I want you guys to all be a part of that. Remember to check out the Sunday's channel and check out the playlist in my description box below. I was able to get rid of a lot of stuff and just do a little straightening up. A couple of these things I have gone through recently, so I was not going to take all the time to take everything out and go through it again. So that's why you did not see me like touch everything in here or everything here, because it was kind of recent, but I did manage to get rid of a pair of jeans or two, so that's great too. And also, if you're tidying today, please let me know what you guys are tidying down in the comments. Have a great day, and remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.